All right. I'm filming this video because it may be my last transmission. You see, I went to work yesterday and Costco has a check-in process and they ask you a series of questions. If you've traveled out of the country, blah, 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 blah. They take your temperature. I told them I had the shits. So they sent me over to the manager, our manager, and she told me to leave until I could get a doctor's note. So then I came home and through my insurance, I have this thing called Teledoc. And you can talk to them on the phone, tell them your symptoms, and they make a diagnosis and a recommendation. So I told them I had the shits. And they asked me if I had a cough. And I said, yeah, I got a little cough, but it's from quitting smoking. And I have like a nicotine fit cough when it's time to hit my vape. Asked me if I had a runny nose. I said, no, I got some boogers, but nothing, no stuffy nose or anything, no fever. So they came back and they told me to self-quarantine for 14 days. What the fuck? So now I have to fight that, right? I have to go to work. I need money. So today I'm going to the AV Mall. I made an appointment to get tested for COVID-19. So I'll resume this video in a moment and try to go get some live footage of them testing me for COVID-19. Okay, we're going in. We're actually at the AV Mall. It's a ghost town. So I'm going to turn my camera sideways as much as I can, like that. And up. Can I do that? That way. Oh, I'm trying, guys. I know this is important shit. Is it still recording? Yeah. Alright, that's about as good as I can get it to see the window and maybe catch some of the scenery here and the actual testing. Come on, turn. Alright. It's as good as I can do. Here we go. Big Dead Mall. Raccoon City. Side note to all this is when this all happened, I had a dentist appointment to get my 2 teeth fixed and my tax money, and there's no dentist anymore. Testing by appointment only. Keep windows up until instructed. Fuck do we go? There's arrows. This is just fucking weird. They got it set up like Disneyland. Doing all right.
All right, man. Get your confirmation number and all that?
Yeah, give me a sec here.